today's video, I'm going to be showing you an easy and cheap way to fix your Stihl engine if it won't rev up when you pull down the throttle. So let's get started. So here we have a 5/8 socket that will fit this spark arrestor. And so all you gotta do is take it like this and charge it. Oh, there it goes. Ow, kind of hurt. We'll just take it off. Then you can take a pair of vice grips or another kind of pliers and pull it out. Once you have the spark arrestor out, you can put it in a vice grips. You'll take a blowtorch. Take the blowtorch and use it to heat up the carbon and burn some of it off. And then you use the wire brush to scrape off carbon. And once you can see through it, that should be done. So then you'll just go and stick it back on the muffler. You only need to snug it down. You don't have to tighten it too bad, otherwise you might break it. So then, yeah, so that's all you have to do to get your engine running better if it won't follow up. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.